I have given my CLAT PG paper. I got NLU Gujarat of Gandhinagar. I've been there. I did my 1 year LLM. See, judiciary aspirants have 3 years of timeline now. They have to be in the practice for 3 years. And not just this, in today's timeline, for your JAG entry, you need CLAT PG paper. For your PSUs, you need CLAT PG paper. The big day, the LLM entrance exam, the CLAT PG exam happens, and this is a perfect timeline. You will have your paper because your legal career deserves a strong start. Why CLAT PG is important? Why CLAT gives you an edge? Because it law holds the major weightage of your CLAT PG paper, around 50% of your paper. Not everything is need to be read, not everything is needed to be understand, but you do torts, you do jurisprudence. Jurisprudence is the most important thing. Don't stop at LLB because your legal career deserves a strong start, and CLAT PG elevate this journey. Hello everybody, my name is Advocate Harsh Chotrani. I am a National Law University alumni and I will take you to the best paper which will give you an edge over other lakhs of students who just did LLB. CLAT PG for your LLM. Who can apply, who should apply, the eligibility criteria, each and everything, what universities do you get, why it is important, what career opportunities you have, each and everything will be discussed in this particular video. If I talk about eligibility, you should hold an LLB degree, 3 years or 5 years integrated program. You must secure a 50% marks aggregate in all your semester if you are a 5-year LLB student or a 3-year LLB students and you belong to a general category. ST, SC guys, you have 45% of minimum eligibility criteria. If I talk about if you have done your 3-year LLB or 5-year LLB, you are eligible to apply when you are in your last semester. And why CLAT PG is important, why CLAT gives you a edge? Because it adds up an experience, it gives your academics a higher standard. I have written this also, CLAT PG's value experience and academic zeal at any stage, whether you are preparing to do an assistant professor job in any of your universities or you want to be a legal researcher under any high court or supreme court judge. This CLAT PG, this masters will give you an edge over all other students. If I talk about the top NLUs, the dream that every National Law University student or any law student have is to go into National Law University of Bangalore, that is NLSIU Bangalore. There are so many out of these 27 National Law University. For NLU Delhi you have LET paper, for others you have CLAT PG as an entrance exam. Approximately 1400 plus seats are there, and the key institution, that is your National Law University of Bangalore, Hyderabad, West Bangalore, my NLU, that is Gujarat National Law University, Jodhpur, and others. Also you will find reservations here for general category, you will find reservation for state specific students. If I talk about the exam pattern, you have 120 questions, the pen and paper, there is no online exam, this is a pen and paper exam. 1 marks for your correct option. Also you have minus 0.25 for an incorrect answer that you put. If you don't attempt a question, no negative marking. This 0.25 is if you do 4 incorrect options, 4 incorrect questions, 1 marks will be deducted from you. Multiple choice based question, obviously just like your CLAT UG, also it is a passage based question. What we need to understand is that you have a syllabus which you have already be completed in your 5 years LLB program. Constitution law holds the major weightage of your CLAT PG paper, around 50% of your paper, nearly 60 questions comes from this constitution law. Then you have jurisprudence, law of contract, administration law, company law, torts, criminal and civil procedure, public international law. If I talk about the full subject spectrum, you have core laws, that is your company, contract, constitution, admin, family law, that is your Hindu and Muslim, tax law. We also have emerging laws such as your environmental, intellectual property right, land and insolvency law, your banking and bankruptcy law. All these things that have been there in the market, Arbitration and Conciliation Act. These are important, and plus the core, that is your procedural laws, your civil procedures law, your evidence act, limitations acts. You have your criminal procedural laws, BNSS, BNS, each and everything that you have been dealing with from the last 5 years. All these things accumulated will be there in your 120 marks paper. If I talk about the roadmap, the preparation strategy, you built your foundation first. You go through with each and every specific act, constitutions article. Not everything is need to be read, not everything is needed to be understand, but there are some specific part that you have to cover in your constitution, because if you don't know these part, if you don't know how they emerge, what happened, what were the landmark judgment, your CLAD PG paper will not be completed without it. In the initial 2-3 month stage, you go through with your bare acts, you go through with the deep understanding of some provisions. Either it is emergency provision, it is your judiciary part, it is your fundamental rights chapter number 3, directive principle chapter number 4, your duties, the first 5 articles that is on your citizenship, the governor part. All these things are important. Not each and everything is to be read and understood in your constitution, but there are major things that you need to know. Once you complete your foundation part, you do contract, you do torts, you do jurisprudence, the most important thing that a law student should go through. Your company intellectual property right, in these 2 or 3 months you understand what you need to do, you read those things, you mug up all these things, and then you come to your mocks, then you come to your sectional mocks, and lastly at the end, in the last 1 month, when you are completely done with your bare acts, you are completely done with your notes, you are completely done with the understanding of each and every subject that is required, you give your full length mocks, which is the utmost priority you should always have. Next, if I talk about the key dates, in August you will see the notification. During October you have the last date of application. In November you fill you get your admit card, and somewhere in December, mid December, the big day, the LLM entrance exam, the CLAD PG exam happens, and this is a perfect timeline. You will have your paper in December. Also, if I talk about LED PG, 5 days after CLAD PG exam happens, you will also see LED PG for your National Law University of Delhi. If I talk about the subject weightage, your constitution holds the major part of your paper, then come jurisprudence, then come your criminal and other subject. In criminal also there are some specific things that you need to understand, that FIR registration, types of FIR you need to know, your criminal procedure you need to know, your judges system hierarchy you need to know, other subjects such as your intellectual property right, your labor laws, your Arbitration and Conciliation Act, contract, admin, all these things are equally important, and this is what the weightage has been over the past few years. If I talk about pro tips or remembering, see, reading, because it is a passage based exam, your reading speed, your reading habit need to be increased, need to be developed. You have been doing this from last 5 years, and I know you have that pace. Is just that consistency is required. Also, tracking of all the judgment. If you need to clear your CLAD PG exam, either it is a landmark judgment, it is the judgment from whom we got our writs or our fundamental rights, judgment that came up with amendments, judgment that helped in over the past few years for your article number 21, your recent biggest judgment. All these things are required, and for your consistency, for your betterment, for each and every growth step by step, you will need your mocks, you will need your sectional test, you will need to know what did you understand. If you are planning to give CLAT PG paper and you need any guidance, you can also comment below this video. If you need a badge, let us know, we can make something for you. If you need any guidance, you can talk to me. I have given my CLAT PG paper. I got NLU Gujarat of Gandhinagar. I've been there. I did my 1 year LLM. It is the best time of my life, and each and everything. See, judiciary aspirants have 3 years of timeline now. They have to be in the practice for 3 years, and why not do your 1 year LLM during this practice so that you have an edge in that exam? Why not complete this CLAT PG paper, do your LLM, and go for an assistant professor job? Not just this, in today's timeline, for your JAG entry you need CLAT PG paper, for your PSUs you need CLAT PG paper, academic proficiency, for your PhD you need to have a master's, and that master's that you get from CLAT PG paper. If you still have any questions, if you still have any doubts, you can comment below this video. If you want us to give you a complete batch, if you want us to give you preparation strategies, each and everything for a CLAT PG student, if you need something, you can fill the Google form down there. You can comment below this video and let me know, can we do this, and I will be there for you. You also have my email ID, harss.chotrani@247.com. You can mail me there and build your expertise, boost your career. Begin with CLAT PG is what I will tell you. Whether it is a higher study, research, each and everything will be done by you. Thank you so much, guys. This was Advocate Harsh Chotrani, and this was CLAT PG preparation for you, and we'll come back again with yet another video.